Books in Canada. All right, so this is something we bought today.
But there's also
And-
gonna be an AA Kingdom kit.
Okay, so whatever he said. All right, so this is a 10 family food.
It looks kind of cloudy today.
These guys, they want to do the unboxing, so they're doing it.
Ow! You're not in here, Baba.
Baba, you do it.
Wait, pull it up and I'll pull it down.
No, you're not. You're gonna break
I'm
it
not
that way.
breaking it.
You're gonna break.
Break it.
Can I do it?
No.
Can I help you?
We're already okay.
Already okay?
Look that! What about from this side?
Are we gonna fill this up with our mouth? Are we gonna do this with our mouth? Rod, can you go get the inflator?
I'm gonna go and get it from their
That's the guide.
closet.
It's already on the ground.
I'm gonna get it from them.
Rod, go get it.
Hold it so you can show them.
Okay.
Can I rip this out?
You're gonna hurt your hands.
True. We're gonna have to take these planes out one day.
So, inflatable pool. It's a manual.
Where's the hose? Where's the hose?
So, not good for under 5 maybe. Someone has to be
Where's the
there.
hose?
Okay, so first of
Oh,
all,
where's the hose?
we need to pull the air, and the hose will be later on.
I think Rod's getting it.
Okay, so right now it's ready.
We're done!
Ready to go, ready to swim. We just need to fill it up with water.
Because our neighbors
الآن قد خلاص جاهز، والآن باقي بس نعبيه ماء يكون إن شاء الله كل شيء تمام.